Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I have a question for you. Imagine you have a customer and the customer asks you, please call me back on this number, 0933. So my question is right away, do you know which network provider that prefix has? And if you don't, no worries, with CouponBet, we can find the answer in a matter of seconds. So first of all, just go to CouponBet and log in, and once you're logged in, you can see this is our dashboard, and what we need is the Tools tab. So we click here on the Tools, and once we click on the Tools, we'll see every tool available right now on CouponBet. So we have to scroll down to the bottom, and you can see this is the one we need, the Provider Prefix Checker. What we want to know is which prefix is connected with the number 0933. So let's click here and enter the information we got, 0933, and there you are. Instantly you can see which prefix telecom provider this is, and this is Sun Cellular. So if you like this and you want to help organize your travel agency with CouponBet, just go to couponbet.com and register for an account right away.